All right, welcome to another Savory Saturday. This week we are going to be doing a breakfast burrito bowl as requested last week. So for this one, we're going to make about 6 to 8 servings, just depending on how big you want your burritos. For this, we're going to have eggs in there. We're also going to put a lot of vegetables. Again, it's whatever you want. Some people put mushrooms in there. So whatever you have around. We're going to do peppers, onion, zucchini, and tomato, along with about 10 eggs to make it, like again, 6 to 8 servings. You'll just crack all the eggs, and then once you have all that, you'll add a dollop of milk, and then salt and pepper to taste. While your eggs are scrambling, you are going to cut all your vegetables and saute them. The first thing you want to saute is going to be your onion, so we'll chop that first. Again, you want these all the same size, just for even cooking. So once you chop the onion, you'll saute that for about 3 minutes, then you'll add in the pepper, cook that for a couple minutes, pepper and zucchini, and then once those are added, cook those for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you'll add in your tomato. Again, it just depends on the vegetable and how hard and soft you want them to be. Now that we have sauteed all of our yummy veggies, you add seasoning, cumin, salt, pepper, and paprika. Chili powder if you want a little extra kick. For the scrambled eggs, we did add some salsa just to again give it a little bit of a kick since it is a burrito. Now to wrap your burrito, you will add the contents in the middle of the burrito. Middle of the burrito. There we go. Spread it out nice. If you want to add cheese, pick whatever kind you'd like. We're doing a 4-cheese Mexican blend. Obviously, whatever you want to taste. And then we did add some cilantro, just again for that extra little flavor. All right, here goes nothing. So you'll wrap one side over and then tuck it nice and tight by pulling on it. And then you will tuck in the side. You have your nice little end. Nice and tight. And then you will roll. And there you folks have a tasty breakfast burrito. If you want to freeze these, like we made 6 to 8 of them, so you can freeze these, just wrap them in tin foil and then microwave to temp. There you have it. Enjoy your breakfast burrito. Have a nice night.